Okay, how to use angle grinder, I already explained it. And after electricity, I will use the angle grinder to cut. But before I use the angle grinder, I must emphasize the most important things, safety. As I explained, angle grinder runs very fast and not like some other power tools, the chainsaw, the circular saw. So actually, angle grinder is very dangerous tools. So when we use it, the safety is very important because this runs very fast and sometimes the cutting disc may break and the iron and the dust can spray it on your face, on your head, so it is very dangerous. Before we use it, we can also prepare some safety products. Like the first product we should prepare is the safety goggles. Of course, your hands are also very important because you should use your two hands for the angle grinder. So that is why we should prepare the safety gloves. And I choose this welding gloves. Why? Because first, it is very big, except to protect your hands, it also can protect your arms. So we suggest that you can choose these weld gloves. And don't forget, there is also a very important point about this air muff. If you just use angle grinder for one time, some people may not use it. But if you often use the angle grinders working, this must be prepared. Because after a long time using, the noise of angle grinder is very big. So long time, it will hurt your ears. That is why we should also prepare this air muff. Except cutting arrow, sometimes we should use the angle grinder to cut some walls that can cause lots of dust. Then you should prepare a mask. This is also another necessary safety products for you. Okay, next we will put on all the safety products and start the operation. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'm here to be the working scenarios and we'll do the operation for the angle grinder. Some friends may ask why I choose these welding gloves. Yes, because for some new users, these welding gloves not only can protect your hand, but also can protect your arm. Okay, first I will use the angle grinder to cut the aluminum. Now let's do it. Okay, next we will use the angle grinder to cut the arrow, and I will do it and show you details. Okay, after cutting the arrow, next we will change the disc and I will use the angle grinder to cut the brake. And when you cut a brake, because there will be many dust, so you should put the mask, and this is very necessary. You know, for the angle grinder, The main function is the cut and grind. We just show you how to use the end grinder to cut the iron and brick, and next we will show you how to use the end grinder to grind the iron. For the grading function, this time we will choose 3 types of the grading disc to show you the different result with the end grinder, and we will show you one by one. Then we'll let our friends know the differences with different grading discs. Okay, above are the introduction of INGCO Android grinders function and how to use in different working scenarios. As you can see, we just use this model with wires. Yes, actually it is very powerful. But except this, for INGCO we have the wire models and also we have the lithium battery model. So we provide the different choices for our customers. You can choose whichever you like. Okay, above we explained the Android grinders and the cutting disc. That will also show you how to use it in different working scenarios. Actually, for our INGCO brand, we have many different kinds of Android grinders for our customers to choose. So if you are interested, you can also purchase. We already put the link as below. You can check and choose it. I hope this video can help our friends know more about Android grinders. And if you are interested in our video, don't forget to subscribe us and give us a like. Okay, thank you all my dear friends. We will see you next time. See you, bye bye.